Well, I've been seeing some old Dayton Box Fans on YouTube lately, so I figured I'd post this. This is a Dayton Model 4C 418, I think it is. I can check. It is a 4C 418, just as I thought. This would have been sold through Granger's. This one was sold through Granger's, but my parents bought it at a garage sale from a friend. 3-speed, it's really just nothing more than a rebadged P23 Lakewood. As you can see on the back, here's the infamous Lakewood P23 motor. Made in Chicago, as all Lakewoods are. Now that you've seen it is what I say it is, let's turn it on. Low first. That noise that you can hear in the background is just the door closing behind there. I haven't locked it open. Let's turn it on to medium. And high. Nice running old fan, but I still think my Arctic Air is more powerful. But Dayton sure did choose a good fan to badge as one of their own, even though they didn't build this one. It definitely has the quality of a real Dayton fan. So until next time.